26 or 20. It was this big. And so imagine my king size bed there, a stack of bunk beds here for my children, another bed on the other side for my other child, the kitchen down here, you know, and place to hang out over there.
All right, see you around town. Hi, Bambi. Wanted to show you this beautiful tree. So good. Oh, look at how abundant it is. Look at all that fruit. Nobody cares. Everybody's driving over to the grocery store right now. Bambi and I are here in this park where we walk. There's all these old fruit trees from whenever it was, I don't know, someone's property. Just look at the abundance of that. Just amazing. So many of them. See, I'm just collecting a couple of these for breakfast. So good. Thank you. Bambi and I are just here walking on this trail, and there's these plum trees right here. So I'm just like a monkey picking it right off the tree, eating it fresh. The life force right in it. Now about this abundance. Old fruit trees from what this land was before. Now it's like a nature park. It's a county park. Come on. Oop. Don't you want to walk down that path? Bambi and I are hanging out at this beautiful bench. And right next to it is a plum tree. That's going to be a good one. Thank you. Man, when you could come right outside the van and eat fruit. I just put my chair away in my storage unit. Otherwise, I'd get it out and get some more. I got a few. Hey everyone, it's Julia. Welcome to this video clip. Today, I'm going to be opening some subscriber packages. So thank you out there. I have no idea what's in there. Well, I do have some idea what's in there, but I'm still super excited to see what's in there. Now, you can see it's getting a little bit out of control here. This isn't all subscriber packages, so let me just show you what's going on here real quick. I had to get another copy of my 2020 phone, which has a camera on it I really like for doing my videos, and I don't want to upgrade. My phone keyboard's sort of giving out, and other weird things are happening, so I thought it was going to go. And I can't have a lull between my videos and my store work and everything I'm doing, because everything is being done on the phone. So I bought a $100 phone about a month ago. The other one is I've been getting some requests for reviewing products, so I'll be reviewing this Pocket Power shortly. This also is not a subscriber thing. I bought this a while ago on eBay, and I'll show you. They had it for like $27 to $37, and they were like, make your best offer, and I was like, 20 bucks. And I got this adorable portable refrigerator. Isn't it cute? I haven't used it yet, but it just plugs in. It not only keeps stuff cool, it'll keep stuff hot too. We'll see how I end up getting use out of this, how much, if it really works for me. But I thought it was really good, especially if I were to go down to the desert. But it's a mini refrigerator. It's so cute, right? So we'll see how that works. I'll let you know. I'm pretty excited about it. Though when I bought it, I didn't know I was going to have very few sales for July in my store. which is typical. I should have known before I bought this. Another thing in the van, this is a power station with this little solar panel that was sent to me that I'm going to review. So that should help with the power problem. Now, I'm super excited. These are my subscriber gifts. Thank you so much for watching my channel and for thinking of me enough to send me something. So this is from Kathy, otherwise known as Vagabond Mango. Love the tie-dye. All right, let's see what's in here. I think she said it was something for the van. Isn't everything for the van? Is it food? Ooh. There you go. Is this one of those trick gifts where it's like in this big box and you keep paring it down and finally at the end it's a nickel? We used to do that to each other in my family for Christmas. My hand. I shouldn't even be using it. I don't know if you can see my hand right there is swollen. Yeah, it hurts. Okay. Wow, that's a lot of packaging. I'll probably speed this up. Check it out. Isn't it beautiful? I love the bell. This is my tribe, van life. Oh, so thoughtful. Thank you, Kathy. It really is thoughtful when you guys do this. I'm just some girl online. There's millions of us, you know, and then you send me gifts. Kind of makes me feel special. Kind of makes me feel seen. Yeah. All right, so the next one. So this one is from Julia. Thank you, Julia. I love your name. Classic joke. Live honestly on YouTube. I've opened the box. Oh, a card. That is so sweet. Thank you, Julia. But I want to get to the gifts. Oh, wow. Super high quality dog treats for Bambi, which we actually need right now. Baked with apples and yogurt. I can't give it to her now because she'll knock over the camera. Thank you, Julia. And then we have, oh, that's so cool. Oh, that is so cool. Oh. Sorry, Aunt Judy. You can have the coffee in there and really use the bowl. How you doing? Yeah, no, great. Yeah, I do want to have that meeting. Can you light this for me? Thanks. Thank you so much. What a cool little invention. I'm glad I have one. That is fun. Thank you so much for my beautiful gifts, subscribers. I really appreciate you. Actually, both of you are also patrons, so thank you for your support on Patreon as well. And without seeming greedy, in addition to all the gifts you're sending me, if you could please join Patreon, for those of you out there, I'd appreciate it. It helps support the channel and the many, many hours of time and editing and everything that goes into that, which I love, love, love doing for you most of the time. Thanks, guys. Hi, you want a treat? You do? It's from Julia. Hey, it's Julia. It's actually a different day. I'm wearing the same shirt, but this time I have a bracelet on, and I've just washed my dreadlocks. But I decided to go ahead and review this. This is NTON Power, Pocket Power. This is like a mini sort of extension cord. And it has 4 outlets and 3 USB ports. And as I thought about it more, I thought, actually, this is something I really can use. Wow. So it's like totally compact with this stretchy outer band. So yeah, it just comes off. Okay. I think I figured it out. Cool. Okay. 4 outlets. 1, 2, 3, 4, wow, and 3 USB ports. I like how the cord wraps around it, and it's also quite thick, looks very durable. And then you have the grounded plug there with the 3 plugs. Now, what I think this is really going to help me with is just to extend the space that I have, because often I'm working on my phone and it's just plugged into this Jackery power station here, and this is the extent of my reach. So I either have to work right there by the Jackery or right up front where I can plug it in there. So this is perfect for me. So there we go. Now my reach is like this. Now the other thing I thought it would be really good for is my vacuum. And then thirdly, I thought for the refrigerator, the new little mini fridge, adorable, right? Now I can plug in multiple things with this device. So yeah, I think it's a pretty good basic device, and it's a very useful thing. Also, you can hang it. There's a link in the description below if you want to get one of these. Go down there and do that. Thanks. Well, I'm in here in the storage unit, and I'm selling the cabinet today. I listed it for $150. I brought it down to $150, and she said she'd give me $170. We'll see. But yeah, it's so beautiful. I can't be lugging around this thing, and I eventually want to get rid of this storage unit. So this is really the first step. This is one of the main reasons I even got the storage unit, which now is a complete disaster because I moved everything off and out of the cabinet, and I got to restore it. It can't be sitting out like that. I'm also wrapping this jacket I sold. For those of you that don't know, I found this on the side of the road and used it for the time that I have had it. You can see the beautiful details. Ta-da! $160. Is it worth it? I think so. So I moved things around a little bit just to make it, I put the table on this side to make it easier to access this space here. And I feel like I'm paring down. Some of this stuff, again, isn't mine. It's just to sell on eBay and Craigslist, so I can just release it anytime I need to. There truly is nothing more healing than getting outdoors and being surrounded by nature. Really, all of these different life forms. No doctor, no teacher, no preacher. No one can heal you like being in your own natural environment. If you have depression or you're physically ill, I want to encourage you really to go out and take a walk out in nature. The benefits are unseen, but they are real. To be surrounded by these other life forms is such a potent effect on a human being who ourselves, we are life forms, which I think we forget, and that this is our natural environment. It eases the depression because it gives you hope just intuitively being surrounded by all of these creatures. They don't toil, they don't worry. They don't have to earn money to get their sustenance. They just live 24/7. And it's always there. It's always there to reconnect with. It's always there to help you find yourself again. It's always there to provide you with clean, fresh oxygen to breathe. It's always there as the bedrock of everything else in life. So no wonder it's so rejuvenating and so healing. I don't know how we live without it or how we ever got so far from it, but it's still right here. Hi there.
Hi.
How are you?
Good.
So, I wanted to ask you about what this story is here. Why don't you tell me about that? What's your name?
I'm Liam Burnell,
Hi.
author of Bug Food and The End Never Comes, which are parts 1 and 2 of The American Odyssey. I tried to walk across the country. I was originally motivated. It was a peace protest against the war that Cheney and Bush started in Afghanistan. Back in my 20s, I just couldn't handle it. I gave away my stuff, sold my car, took off walking across the country in protest. I met so many people and found so many interesting things to do on my way down the East Coast that I only ended up walking from Maine to South Carolina. But I had 2 lifetimes worth of adventures in all that, and it's really worth a read.
Well, that's pretty amazing. Also, you have a link to your books that I can put in the description below.
Yeah, let's try to figure that out.
Okay, cool. All right, have a beautiful, peaceful day. Bye now.